In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create follow-up tasks on record activities in HubSpot. This is a powerful feature that helps you stay organized, never miss a follow-up, and keep your sales or customer success process moving forward. Whether you're following up on a call, an email, or a meeting, this quick workflow will save you time and keep everything tied directly to the right contact record. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the record where the activity lives. To do that, go to your top navigation menu in HubSpot and click on CRM. From the dropdown, select Contacts. Once you're inside your contacts list, search for or scroll to find the specific contact record you want to work with. Click on the contact's name to open their full record view. This is where you'll see all their details, including properties, associated deals, companies, and most importantly for this tutorial, their activity timeline in the middle of the screen. Next, you need to find the activity that you want to create a follow-up task from. In the center panel, you'll see the timeline. This timeline shows all logged activities connected to that record. Scroll through until you find the specific activity you're interested in. This could be a logged call, a sent or received email, a meeting, a note, or even a previously created task. Each activity appears as its own card in the timeline, showing the type of activity, the date, and a short summary. Take a moment to locate the exact activity that requires a follow-up action. Once you've found the correct activity, hover your mouse over that activity card. When you do this, you'll notice additional options appear. Look for the three dots icon, also known as the More menu. It looks like three small horizontal dots. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see options such as Pin, Edit, Delete, and the one we're focusing on, Create Follow-up Task. This option allows you to instantly generate a new task that is directly connected to that specific activity, which keeps your context clear and your workflow organized. Now click on Create Follow-up Task. A task creation panel will open. Here, you can define the details of your follow-up. Start by adding a clear task title, something specific like Follow Up on Pricing Discussion or Send Proposal After Meeting. Then set a due date so you know exactly when this follow-up needs to happen. You can also assign the task to yourself or another team member if needed. Make sure to review the priority and any additional notes you want to include. Once everything looks good, click Save. Just like that, your follow-up task is created and automatically linked to the original activity on the contact record. And that's it. That's how you create follow-up tasks directly from record activities in HubSpot. This simple habit can dramatically improve your consistency, accountability, and overall CRM hygiene. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another HubSpot tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.